Parliamentary Party. Honourable members, the letter from the Honourable Arama added to the already existing confusion with regard to the affairs of the Jubilee Party. I had previously received two letters dated 21st September 2022 from the Honourable Jeremiah Kioni on the leadership of the Jubilee Party and its nominee to the Speaker's panel. At the time, Honourable Kunitumia did also claim to communicate on behalf of the Jubilee Party as the Acting Secretary General. In my then guidance to the House, I noted the need to leave determination of political party disputes to competent authorities outside Parliament as envisaged by the law. On the issue of whether the Jubilee Party is a parliamentary party within the meaning of Standing Order 20A, the House will recall that I did guide the party. Having 28 members clearly surpassed the threshold of 18 members required by the standing orders. I was, however, hesitant to wade into the recognition of the party on account of the lingering issue of the persons authorized to communicate with the Speaker with respect to the Jubilee Party. Unfortunately, honourable members, the confusion relating to the Jubilee Party did not abate. You will recall that in the communication of 8th June 2023, I noted receipt of a further flurry of communication said to be made on behalf of the Jubilee Party. I received further letters dated 4th May 2023 terminating the membership of the Honourable Kunitumia and the Honourable Sabina Chege MP in the Jubilee Party. Members at the bar, take your seats. Take the nearest seats. Honourable members, additionally, I was copied in correspondence dated 20th June 2023 between the Jubilee Party and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition, signed off by a Mr. Nelson Zuya as the national chairperson of the party. In the letter, Mr. Zuya urged that the Speaker refrain from effecting changes to House leadership and committee membership pending the determination of an alleged dispute between the Jubilee Party and the Azimio coalition. Honourable members, it is against this backdrop and a lack of clarification on the affairs of the Jubilee Party at the time that I again expressed my hesitation to recognize the party as a parliamentary party. Indeed, as members will further recall, I granted the minority party and the Jubilee Party a period of 30 days to allow them to put their affairs in order. Whereas it would seem that the minority party has concluded the matter of replacing its whip, the same cannot be said with regard to the affairs of the Jubilee Party and its members in the House. As at today, the question of who constitutes the bona fide leadership of the party, especially in the House, remains unclear. Honourable members, on the 13th of June 2023, barely a week after my last communication on this matter, the Honourable Samuel Arama again wrote on behalf of the members of the Jubilee Party, conveying names and signatures of 21 out of 28 members, expressing their support of the recognition of the party as a parliamentary party. In the past week, I have received two conflicting letters on the matter of the Deputy Minority Whip from the Jubilee Party. A rambling letter dated 20th October 2023 from the Honourable Jeremiah Kioni said to support the replacement of the Deputy Minority Whip is littered with insults and other unpalatable statements unworthy of my mention. The message in the letter is lost in its tone, which is obviously beneath the standard expected of a person who has sat in this honourable House. On 24th October 2023, I received yet another letter from the Honourable Joshua Kutunyi, who claims to be the party's Deputy Secretary General. In the letter, the Honourable Kutunyi claims that the Honourable Jeremiah Kioni was expelled by the party and ought not communicate on its behalf. The letter contests the replacement of the Deputy Minority Whip on various grounds and alludes to aggrieved members of the Jubilee Party not having been afforded access to internal dispute resolution mechanisms to address their grievances.